Have you been turned down from an accounting job because you have no experience? Is your goal to have an experience certificate in Gulf countries or India with professional knowledge? Are you struggling without knowing GCC VAT? Then you can own it through Accounts Hub. You can become an accounting professional with the help of 24-hour trainers from anywhere in the world through WhatsApp. Develop your finance and accounting skills powered by Accounts Hub. Gain essential accounting skills to help your career and business thrive. Accounts Hub offers you an internship and tally training with the course as well as an opportunity to file VAT of a company currently in UAE. Students are eligible for extra time to go over the syllabus. A flexible, full and affordable education no matter where in the world you are. If you would like to know more about what we do and how to enroll, please inquire in this number. Our friendly admission team will get back to you as soon as possible. Learn accounting without any boundaries from Accounts Hub. Accounts Hub, raising the professionals. For more details, WhatsApp in 8921541183 8075621930 and WhatsApp from UAE 971-503-548-807. Our website is iamsaccounts.hub.com. Accounts Hub, Healthcare City, Dubai, UAE, Kerala, India.